The first thing I'm gonna see is like price moves, I believe, in kind of waves where there are like a certain level of buyers and certain levels of sellers. So you need to know like how long the buyers are gonna last and when the sellers are gonna start stepping in. One of the easiest way I found to do it is like you see this red line over here. So this is from a start of a buying wave, I would say, or buying momentum, and it's till the end of where the buying momentum ended. So this whole line represents the whole buyers in the market. It's just kind of like quantizing them. Okay, so this is the momentum that buyers can bring in, or this is the amount of buyers that are in the market. So this line, I would say, represents buyers, and then this one is just a wave for the sellers you see down there. So these are sellers and these are buyers. So whenever market starts pulling back, what I would see is like I just drag these sellers and put it on top of the wave of the buyers. And now then I realize that, okay, now I'm gonna sell, but how long the sells are gonna play out. So it's usually the same amount of sellers in the market when they come in, and when they start dominating the market, it's usually the equal amount of sellers in the market. So you see at the end of this line on the right over here, I'm just gonna show you with the as well. You see right down here, that's where the sellers kind of ended and pulled up and started taking their profits. So that would be my target for the sells, and then I'm gonna move and look for a buy. And how long the buy is gonna last is the same wave as before. So you see at top over here, the buyers exactly at this point just stopped taking their profits because that was the wave of the buyers, and then they started taking profits and ended up just exiting of the, I would say, their trades and stuff. And again, when I start seeing a seller's momentum, again, I'm gonna drag the same sellers again and kind of put it like over there, and then you're gonna see again the sellers only played out over here. So that's how the wave continues to go in a market. So whenever I see the buyers fully in the market and they have started playing out, I'm just gonna drag the buyers momentum and see what the next target could be potentially. And I only plan buys, and then when I realize, okay, the buyer's target has been hit, then I'm gonna move to the sellers. So that's the first main thing I usually look for at the moment market is in buying or in selling. That's like how I create my bias.